Who doesn't want a smart, brainy baby? In this video, we shall talk about 6 ways to support baby's brain development in womb by sharing easy steps to boost your baby's thinking abilities. If you have received confirmation of your pregnancy, you are likely to be delving into extensive research on baby's growth, development, trimester, and whatnot. While things like baby's color, eyes, height are just from genes, you can actually do a few things to help your baby become smarter. Hey guys, welcome to Tots and Moms. My name is Kavitha and I am the founder of this food brand, Tots and Moms Foods. I make videos related to babies, kids, and mom's health. And today I'm talking about 6 ways to support baby's brain development in the womb. Yes, before even they are born. So at first, let's understand the regions of your baby's brain to begin with. Cerebrum is the largest part of the brain responsible for thoughts, feelings, and memories. Cerebellum manages motor control functions. Brainstem controls vital functions like heart rate, breathing, and blood pressure. Pituitary gland releases hormones for growth and metabolism. Hypothalamus regulates body temperature, hunger, thirst, sleep, and emotions. Your baby's brain begins forming in the womb around 3rd week of pregnancy. While these brain regions develop rapidly in the womb, further maturation or the growth happens only when they are outside mother's body. So the one that you have been waiting for, let's talk about 6 things that you can do to make your baby smarter. So first thing is embrace fitness. Regular exercise during pregnancy, including activities like walking, prenatal yoga, positively impacts the baby's brain development. Studies indicate that maternal exercise increases blood flow to the womb, supporting optimal brain functions for the baby. Food as medicine. Yes, let's start accepting that food is the medicine. Embrace the right nutrient-rich foods during pregnancy. Now, prioritize essential elements like choline, omega-3 fatty acids for enhanced learning and memory. Doctors would have already recommended it. Ensure that you take care of it. A balanced diet with vital nutrients like folate, choline are crucial for neural tube formation and cognitive functions. Get more sleep. Adequate sleep is crucial for both you and your baby. Protecting sleep during pregnancy positively impacts the health of both mother and child, supporting proper brain growth and reducing risk of post-birth developmental issues. So ensure that you sleep well. Keep thyroid levels in check. Maintain stable thyroid levels during pregnancy, as thyroid deficiency in the mother can affect the baby's intelligent quotient, IQ. Include iodized salt and yogurt in your diet for sufficient iodine. Yes, you can also get good massage during pregnancy. Gently massage your tummy. Research suggests that gentle belly massages send calming messages to the baby's nervous system. Starting from around 20 weeks, your baby can feel your touch, and a soothing massage can contribute to a positive prenatal experience even for you. Foster early growth with music, talk, and reading. Who doesn't know the story of Abhimanyu, right? Foster a sensory-rich environment for your baby's growth by incorporating soothing music and meaningful conversations. Research suggests that exposure to music promotes calmness, while talking during pregnancy contributes to early word recognition and cognitive skills. Never feel that, oh, my baby wouldn't understand. Baby gets to understand each and everything. Establishing a story time habit enhances cognitive development, creating a harmonious foundation for your baby's early learning journey. So the goal of this video is to provide you with information on how to influence your baby's brain development and not to prescribe a one-size-fits-all approach. Always remember to consult with your healthcare provider for personal advice and guidance throughout your pregnancy journey. Happy pregnancy to you. And yeah, I have 2 video recommendations for you as to be parents. You can check about tummy time and its importance. You can also check the video on burping a baby, where you can see multiple ways on how to do that. I have personally recorded this with my son and shared it over this YouTube video. So do check that, and also please check out Tots and Moms store. Tots and Moms is an organic baby, kids and moms food store where you can find chemical free and products made from locally sourced ingredients like cereals, pancake mixes, drink mixes, many more products for mothers as well, like methi shakti powder, cookies. So please do check them. Our products are also available at Amazon, Flipkart, FirstCry and Big Basket. And thank you so much for trusting in us, and thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you soon in yet another video. Please comment and tell me how would you like me to continue, what are the topics you want me to talk about going forward. Take care. Bye-bye.